You can imagine if you're swimming at night and you saw that big fucker of a thing swimming around. That thing was huge. Alright, thanks a lot. I'm checking it out. Yeah, two nights. Yeah, very fast. Going to Mabul. Yeah, diving today, but they dropped me off at Mabul. Yeah. Okay, thanks very much. Alright, see you. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the daily vlog. It is day 2 of diving east of Borneo, and today we are going to Kapalai Island. So I've packed all my stuff this morning. I'm getting transferred to the island of Mabul later on after the dive. So that island is one of the main places to stay in this area, and that's where some divers, stay and go to Sipidan Island or go around. It's a nicer place to stay than Semporna Port, I hear. So really excited to go there later today and check it out. Alright, so today we are going to North Kapalai Island. So yesterday we were up the north there, and now we're traveling south. And then afterwards, we head off to Mabul. Alright, so pretty awesome dive for our first dive, and now we're just chilling on the boat with the other boat, having a snack for our second dive. So as you saw, we went through those man-made houses, those house-looking things in that big tower. So many things to see on this dive. We saw that big fucking giant eel. His name was Elvis, so luckily he came out to play during the day. You can imagine if you're swimming at night and you saw that big fucker of a thing swimming around. Like, it was seriously probably the size of both my legs together. Like, that thing was huge. The GoPro makes it look small, but that thing, body-wise, probably wider than me. It was massive. But yeah, we're gonna go on a second dive soon, and hopefully the sun stays out for the rest of the day. So later on, when we hop back on the island, finally fly Mav around this place. If you check it out, this place would be awesome to fly Mav over there. So I'm back at Mabul Island now, which is where I'll be staying tonight. This place is sick. So we've got an hour break until our third and final dive. And then I think while we're on our 1 hour break now, I'll go fly Mav. But just then, I didn't have the camera on. But seriously, this military fighter jet just flew past. It was loud as shit. It was just like flew around. It's pretty low as well, like 30, 50 meters from the ground. I don't know what they were doing, but yeah, Mav was up there and actually flew past where I was thinking of flying Mav, so yeah, I don't know, just gotta look out for it. So this will be the island that I'll be spending Christmas on. Yeah. Woo. So Scuba Junkie have their own place here at Mabul Islands. So if you dive with them back at Semporna, then they've got a place here you could stay at Mabul. But I opted a different place. I'm staying at another diver's spot. I don't know, I think it was a little bit cheaper, but this place is nice actually. Should have balled out a little bit more and stayed here. Geez, you guys are fast. You guys don't muck around. Oh, what a mission of a day. Ow. I think I'm sunburnt on my back, so my back hurts every time I take it off and on. Oh, such a full-on day. How bad is it? Oh my gosh. What a good Christmas present. I was carrying my stuff off the boat, had like 5 things hanging off me. I was just carrying everything, hopped off the boat onto the jetty, and before you know it, bang! Oh, smacked my head onto like a timber mid-rail. Did not see that one coming. It was like, never been punched in the face before, but it actually felt like that. I just like went head on to the rail, bang! Oh. That was like any lower, it got my teeth. I reckon I would have lost a couple. But anyway, we're back now on Mabul Island. So, got all my crap here, just waiting to do my logbook. And then I'm gonna take my big bag and all my other stuff and then find my accommodation. I've also been kind of sick last couple of days, pretty much since I've got here. I've had the sniffles, had the coughs, had a sore throat. So I don't know where it's come from, but I've been struggling a little bit. So it'd be good to finally take a shower, rinse off and everything like that. And then get some dinner or something and just chillax for the rest of the night.
We saw the big giant moray, we saw Elvis.
Yep, Elvis. Giant moray. And that's dives 40, 41 and 42. Done.
You speak English or speak Malay?
Oh no, only English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you do any booking?
Yeah, I book online.
Yeah, but what does your booking?
I think it's a
room? Standard room?
Standard, yeah, standard twin single room. So I guess this is it for me for the next 3 nights. This is my room. So as you can see, it's quite basic. It doesn't even have a fan, but this is 50 bucks a night. So pretty much 150 bucks is spent on accommodation over Christmas. So I don't know how the sound was out there when it was windy, but I think now's the perfect time to try my microphone with the dead cat. and that's to absorb the wind. So I want to see what the difference is. Ooh, master's chair, just waiting for me. This is the spot. Now, I'm pretty sure it's still quite windy, and I'm sure this microphone's still picking up the wind. I'll see you later on. Yep, this is it. On top of this area. Sick.